Hello everyone. Today we are going to study what is the meaning of integrated marketing communications. So basically integrated marketing communication means 1 minute. So it is a communication mix adopted by companies to derive synergies. We all know the meaning of synergies. It means when we adopt all the possible sources, and by adopting all the possible sources, the result is more than an individual source. So it is adopted by the companies to derive synergies from the various types of marketing communications which are available. If we look at the meaning of integrated marketing communication, so it is what? It is integration of all marketing tools, approaches and resources. We all know promotion is a part of marketing mix, and when the integration of all the tools of promotion are used along with the components of marketing mix to the company has a winning edge over the competitors, and that is known as integrated marketing communication. If we look at Mount Blanc, it uses variety of marketing mix elements like price, product design, brand name, distribution strategies to create high quality and upscale usage image for its spend. uh, Looking forward, the relationship between promotion, promotional mix and IMC. So what promotion is a process, and in that particular process the promotion mix are the tools or element, and all these things are managed by integrated marketing communication. So what are the integrated marketing communication promotion mix? That is a combination of promotional methods like personal selling, that is person to person communication, in which a seller informs and educates our prospective customers and attempts to influence their purchase choices. Then we have advertising. It is a non-personal communication that is paid for by an identified sponsor and involve either mass communication or other media or direct to customer communication via direct mail. Then we have publicity, that is non-personal communication to mass media, that is not directly paid for by the company. Then we have sales promotion, that is all the marketing activities that attempts to promote immediate sale of a particular product. Then there is sponsorship, that is the practice of promoting the interest of a company and its brand by associating the company with a specific event. And the last one is point of, there are many, but here the last one is point of purchase, which includes display, posters, signs, shelf card and other visual material designed to influence the buying decisions. So let us understand one by one what is the meaning of integration, what is the meaning of marketing, and what is the meaning of communication. So integration begins with the way a company and its agencies organize the process for creating and delivering the brand images. So all the participants involved in creating and delivering the brand messages must work together, like the company agencies, media, channel members, marketing, communication support services. So integration is equivalent to synergy. So when the messages are integrated, they reinforce each other and create a synergy like effect, which means 1 plus 1 is equal to 11 or 3, but it is not equal to 2. That is, convey the message consistently, that is, speak with the single voice. And what is marketing? Marketing is a philosophy, an attitude, a perspective, a management orientation, which includes a set of activities like product, price, place, promotion. If we look at simpler terms, so marketing is delivery of customer satisfaction at a profit, and the goal is to attract new customers by promising superior values and keep and grow current consumers by delivering the satisfaction. Now, what is communication? Communication is a process of sharing information between people through a continuous activity of speaking, listening, and understanding. It is a process of delivering a message from one person or group to another. We can also see it can be defined as transmitting, receiving, and processing information, and the components or the communication model is displayed in this figure. We have sender, encoding of messages, decoding, then we have receiver, then response is there, feedback is there, and in between there is some noise or distortion. So what is a sender? Yeah, who is a sender? The person attempting to deliver a message or idea. What is the meaning of encoding? It means the verbal words, sounds, non-verbal gestures, facial expression, postures that the sender utilizes in dispatching the message. Then we have uh, transmission devices, that is all the items that carry the messages from the sender to the receiver. Then we have decoding, that take place when the receiver employs any set of his or her senses like hearing, seeing, feeling, etc. in an attempt to capture the message. Then there is receiver, that is the intended audience for a message. Afterward, the feedback is there, that is information the sender obtains from the receiver regarding the receiver perception or interpretation of a message. And there is noise also, that is anything that distorts or disrupt a message is known as what? Noise. We have seen the Nike ad, that Nike India Bleed Blue marketing campaign was an effort to target the cricket lovers in India. Then when Hutch was acquired by Vodafone, the communication was simple, but it was a very effective communication. Then Zuzu cartoons were also used to communicate the advertisement message, and we remember the ads till now. Now when there is a merger of Idea and Vodafone, they have rebrand as we, and it is a reflection of both brand. It is a creative promotional approach used. So now what is integrated marketing? Integrated marketing is the planning and execution of all the company's marketing activities. It can be offline and online, and in a way that is consistent across all that is consistent across all of the customers contacts and creates more value. Then those activities are performed separately. So if we assemble the definition of integrated of marketing and communication, so integrated marketing communication is a process of planning, executing, and monitoring the brand messages that creates the customer relationship. So in integrated marketing communication approach, the different communications are in the form of arcs making a 360-degree circle, and the center is the customer. So integrated marketing communication is concerned with 4 C's and not with the 4 P's. That is, the focus is on customers, not product, cost, not price, convenience, not place, and communication, and not on promotion. We can compare integrated marketing communication as a band. Why we can compare it as a band? Like the different communication instruments, we have advertisement, public relationship, database marketing, media specialist, sponsorship, interactive marketing are compared with different musical instrument, and when all the different musical instruments are combined together and played together, as the music is melodious in the similar manner, we if we use all the elements of integrated marketing communication together, the results will be very good. So the goal of integrated marketing communication is to build brands that are well known and liked more by the customers. Then they will be purchased more, and when they will be purchased more, there will be increased in profit margin, increased in brand equity of. How the concept of IMC evolved: earlier there was mass marketing using mass communication, then it changed to relationship marketing, which used integrated marketing communication with the focus on interaction. Earlier traditional approach was everything was individually adopted, but in contemporary integrated marketing communication approach, the concept of synergy has been adopted, and it is very clear and visible from the image that is shown here. Now the changing world of integrated marketing communication: the old world was talking at customer, But when we have adopted the IMC approach, there is a two-way dialogue with the consumer. Earlier, focus was on winning the customers, not retaining the existing customer. But now the focus is on building the long-term relationship with the customers. Earlier, the marketer relied on advertising and promotion, but now a marketer uses uh, and coordinate different forms of communication with the customers. If we look further at the integrated marketing communication of Patanjali, so what Baba Ramdev used to do, it talks about different yoga postures and their benefits, and how the yogas can be used to cure various diseases, and how one should include Ayurveda products to have a healthy lifestyle and a disease free life. The positioning was of that of Swadeshi products and that of Ayurveda product, and because of that there was a positive word of mouth communication. Patanjali also used advertisement in print and digital media like Facebook, Twitter. It maintained public relationship. It has its YouTube channel, which has more than 200 videos on yoga and other product information. Now, the objective of marketing communication is to inform, persuade, and remind the customer. That is, it create awareness, stimulate demand, encourage product trial, and in the end to have repeat
और वो कह रहा है इन आने के
purchase.
लिए.
Now, the marketing communication, there is a five finger story, that is promotion, personal selling, direct marketing, public relationship, and publicity and advertisement. If we look at the integrated marketing communication process model, we have sender, message, media, and receiver. Sender, the person who says something. Message, in what form the message has been communicated. Media, what was the means of communication. And receiver, to whom the message is communicated. And in the end, we see what is the effect of that particular communication. Again, a more complicated version of that particular model, the brand manager communicate the information. The information can be communicated through one way or two-way media. Then the customer experience are noticed, whether if the experience is good, strong brand relationship will be there and increased sale, customer and brand equity will be there. If there is weak brand relationship, the company will lose customer sales and brand equity. And when we know there is a strong brand relationship or weak brand relationship, after evaluating, we plan further how to sustain the existing customers and how to build image of the particular product if the brand image is weak. Now, this is the model of integrated marketing communication planning process. First, we have to review the marketing plan, then analyze the promotional program situation, then analyze the communication process, then determine the budget, and then develop integrated marketing communication program, in which we include advertisement, sales promotion, public relationship, publicity, personal selling, direct marketing, interactive marketing. Then we develop objective strategies for each of them, then develop message, media strategy and tactics, and integrate and implement marketing communication strategies, and monitor, evaluate, and control the integrated marketing communication program. Now we have the various steps that commonly followed in integrated marketing communication process. The first step is to identify the audience that is to be targeted, then to determine the objectives of your communication, then design the message of communication, then select the media channel, then decide the budget, then decide the marketing communication mix. Afterward, we will measure the results and then manage and coordinate the integrated marketing communication. Moving further, we will study about integrated marketing communication of Amul campaign. Amul, so first let us know about the campaign a little bit. The campaign was Amul Moped campaign. The first, it was launched in 1967 at Charni Road billboard in Mumbai. At that point of time, Utterly Butterly Amul girl was born, and she has not grown an inch since then. If we define that particular Amul moped, a thumb size 6-year-old girl in red polka dotted dress, she has blue hairs, round eyes, chubby cheeks, and winking at onlookers, has been loved by everyone. So what is the USP of that campaign? Why it is so famous? Because it is a simple humor on something which everyone is thinking about, plus a element of fun is also there. So the different promotional technique that has been used by Amul is it uses variety of media to communicate, and the famous is billboard campaign, the endearing polka dress girl, and pun at the various issues increase the brand following. Then Amul organized food festivals. The Chef of India contest invite people to come up with recipe along with using as much as Amul products. Then there was a contest like slogan Likho Disneyland Dekho contest. Then Amul uses other promotions like Amul Maharani contest. In this contest, questions about Amul were asked. Then there was Amul sponsored many singing competitions like Star Voice of India, Music Ka Mahamukabla. We see different ads of Amul at different point of time, which are humorous also, having a fun element also. Now the integrated marketing communication approach of Hero Honda. So Hero Honda uses advertisement, and we have different product of Hero Honda. So in order to avoid the customer confusion of product, the different segments have a different punch lines. Like Charisma, the premium segment come with a punchline like always game. Then there is Hunk, which does not talk about speed or power at all, but the focus is on looks even while the bike is standing. Then we have CBZ Extreme, which comes with a promise thinking is a waste of time. Then there are certain print ads like fill it, shut it, forget it. Then there was a campaign like Bharat Shining campaign, Har Gaon, Har Angan. And because of that particular campaign, there was an additional sale of 15,000 to 16,000 motorcycles. Then we have the Hero Honda adopts celebrity endorsement, print and outdoor advertisement is also there. They use different celebrities like Hrithik Roshan, Priyanka Chopra. There was one famous ad like why should boys have all the fun. Then they follow covert advertisement, public service advertisement like Desh Ki Dhadkan, that has truly captured the Indian hearts and minds. Desh Ki Dhadkan, that Dhak Dhak Go. Then there was broadcast advertisement. It sponsored Roadies 5.0, Sare Gama Pa. It uses sales promotion approaches also. Cash incentive programs are also there. Now there is another example of Coca-Cola. So Coca-Cola uses integrated marketing communication in order to communicate with its target audience. It is a pioneer company in 360-degree communication, and it focuses on fun and entertainment. They adapt their messages to target our market, but they always the message is based on the values, that is sharing, happiness, fun, and the tradition of folks. Uh, on its 125th birthday, the IMC campaign had started, and the new brand platform was taste the Coke side of life. From there, the company has to rethink that its whole organization in communication department. So what are the different elements? Like it use advertisement. They allow building brand image and creating brand awareness. Coca-Cola slogan become memorable and universal. We remember one famous ad. Many ads are there like ठंडा मतलब कोका कोला, तो हम लोग आंख बंद करते ही बोल देते हैं जब भी हम कोका कोला का नाम सुनते हैं. Then they have direct marketing also throughout partnership with restaurant, hotels, emailing, sponsorships. Then they have interactive marketing with social media. Sales promotion offers are there. Consumer oriented strategies like visibility in shelves, eye catching positioning is there. Then with traders also, they offer discount, free goodies, return back allowances. Then Zero Coke has built a reverse pyramid, and it was on the idea, and it aims to prove that nothing is impossible. So does Zero Coke, which has the taste same as that of the Coke, but without calories. We all know the cold drinks are saturated solutions of sugar, but what Coke has claimed, that it has claimed that it has the taste of the original Coke, but there are no calories in it. Then it maintained PR relationship in its strategies through different events. Personal selling approach is also there by building relationship between with buyers and consumers. Then it approached partnership and sponsorship approach, like uh, do it has adopted done sponsorship with Olympics, FIFA World Cup, Rugby World Cup. So thank you so much. Thank you for listening so patiently.